That wasn't my intended thing to do, but yeah, that works. So now we go. Damn it. There we go. And we have a little thing for that. Got a little thing for that. So, okay, if you haven't figured out yet, this mirror right here is just a standard, normal boring mirror. If you have one of these, which is the accessory pamphlet for your 3rd generation RAV4, you'll come to this page, which doesn't have a number on it, and you'll see the auto dimming mirror. So there's that part number. Taking the mirror off hurt my hand, but it's okay. So we have a bag of stuff. We have the directions, which I will post the link for the PDF on the description. And then we have the mirror itself, which I will not show until later. So, let's see. This is the wiring harness for the sunroof motor. This is the wiring harness for the overhead console. I gotta carefully cut back and remove approximately 2.5 inches of tape off of this. There we go. Now we gotta find the ground connection for this, which is a white with white with red striped wire, pin 7, which is right here. Approximately 2 inches up, I gotta attach the T-tap connector to this wire, and then this is the ground for the auto dimming feature. Yeah, okay, that one's correct. So, next I gotta do is carefully take scissors on this one and cut back approximately 1.5 inches of tape covering the 10-pin connector. That's this one. There we go. Okay. We want to identify a blue wire on here. A little blue wire, which is pin 5, and that is ignition on. And that's this one right here. So yeah, we're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to take the the blue wire, and we're going to do the T-tap again. Like that. Okay. Now we're going to take the... Now we're going to carefully route the mirror harness through the overhead console. This is right here. Believe it or not, there's actually a reservation for this cable right here. There we go. Okay. That's like that. Now we're going to introduce the... We're going to take this 10-pin harness, which only has two pins in it, and connect it into the back of the new mirror. And then we're going to slide the mirror onto this metal piece. So here we go. We get to introduce the new mirror. Ta-da! I gotta clean it up. Okay, now with that, like that, we have a T20 Torx bit. There we go. Now we have a piece that slides in. Oh, there we go. Snaps in. It's the cover for that. So there's our cover installed. Now we're going to carefully pull the two wires here apart approximately 5 inches. Okay. So we got one with a blue dot and one without a blue dot. Okay, here's the blue dot, okay. So plug the black wire without the blue dot into the white with red. And then with the blue dot, it goes here. Wrap T-tap connector and EC harness together 12 with one piece of foam tape. What was that? Like that. And then they want to do it again with the other one. With the foam tape. The foam tape is just there to protect it. And then we want to take foam, and then we want to plug these back in again. And then hide some of the wires and whatnot. So it's out of the way. So this one goes like that. And We want to take the foam tape again. Put it there so it's out of the way of these connections here. Next is to plug this back in. There we go. I gotta put this back in to here. Okay, we are now ready to plug this back in. Like that, and then put this back. There we go. Okay. Key in to accessory. Ooh, signs of life. It's got a C, which means this needs to calibrate, which means I gotta drive 360 until it calibrates itself. There's a calibration card that comes with it. Gives you your zones. It's a little bit bigger, so it can accommodate the auto dimming and the compass. I like the auto dimming feature and the compass in my Lexus, so it's gonna be good. And that's how you do it. And I'll be trying to come out with more videos, hopefully soon. Okay, this is A for Hatcher signing off.